Hi, good day. So I have here an example of arrays in Autocad, which are the rectangular array, the polar array, and the last is the path array. So we're going to do the example here. The first one is a rectangular array. So this is a row by column arrangement, while a polar array, so it follow a circular pattern, while a path array, it follow a certain path. So we start with the rectangular first. All you need to do is to have one object, the betweens, the measurement of the object, and the row of the object. Okay. So let's say we have here a rectangle or a square having a dimension of 1 by 1. To make a rectangular array, all you need to do is to click the drop down arrow here at the array command and select rectangular array, then select object, which is this one, press enter, and then you can now change the parameters here in rectangular array. This is the number of column. Initially you have 4 columns, 1 2 3 4. 3 rows, you have 1 2 3. You can change it. Let's say you have 5 column. Let's say you have 4 rows, depending upon your figure. So let's say we follow this given object. So you have 4 by 4, that is 4 column and 4 rows. For the betweens of both rows and column, we have here 2 and 3 respectively. For the betweens of the column, you have, from the given, you have 2. So you can change this one to 2. Then press enter. Then the next one, you have your betweens, which is 3. So you can change this one into 3. Then press enter. Okay. By the way, it is only 2 by 3, so we can change this one into 3. Okay. Then, once you are done with the figures, you can now just close the arrays. Okay. So this is now your arrays, which is similar to the given object above. Okay. For the polar array, you can easily draw a polar array by having a circular path, then the number of items. So let's say you have your circle and you have an item here. Let's see, you have a 0.5 circle and you want the circle to rotate on the circumference of the circle. All you need to do is to click the circular polar array, select your item, press enter, and the center point of array. In this example, the center point of array is the center of the circle. Automatically, you will have 6 items that will rotate on your circular path. If you want to change the object, you can easily change it. Let's say you want to make it 8 items. Okay, so this is the effect. Let's say you want 12 items. Okay, and let's say we go back to 6 items. And also, you can change the fill, the angle fill. Usually, the default is 360 degrees. And if you want only the half of the circle, so you will have only 180. Okay. All of the 6 items will be filled on 180 degrees. The rotation of the item is counterclockwise. Okay, so let's say we have this example, and we are now done with the polar array. You can simply close the arrays. And for the path array, all you need to do is a path curve. From this given example, you have an arc and you have an item here, which is the X mark. Simply, you have to do is create an arc, then the item. So let's say you have your align, then the betweens. Okay, all you need to do once you have the item is to click the path array, select the object to be arrayed, then press enter. Select the path curve, which is this one, and automatically it will going to fill your entire path. If you want to change the betweens, from the given example, it is only one. You can change this one, then automatically it will going to fill the items which can be sufficient on your array path. If you want to reduce the item, which is here, you have 11, you can unlock this one and you can change the number of item. You cannot proceed to more than 11. Let's say we will going to try 13 because it is not fitted on the path. But lower than the given items, you can do that. Let's say we make only 8, enter. Okay, so it will be spaced by 1 and having only 8 items. Okay, then you simply close the array. Okay, so you have now the 3 array command under modify commands of the AutoCAD. And also, if you want to edit items which has previously done, you can simply double click it or simply click it. Automatically, the options for that array will going to be pop out. Same with the polar array, and same with the path array. Okay. Okay. So that's a short lecture on how to insert use arrays in AutoCAD. Thank you.